I'm Tanya Arnold from New Zealand. I'm 58. And today we are here with Cynthia and a few other people. Before I left New Zealand to come to Bali, I thought something big was going to happen here. And I have 14% eyesight, which is legally blind. And when we went to the water temple the other day, going in there, I found it quite hard at first because of having to, the steps going down, going in and out the water, through the rocks and the caves and things, and I found that like I needed help. But as we got through and we were praying at each stage of the temple, I was praying for my eyesight because I believed something was going to happen. It was a very beautiful place, very special place, and it's quite emotional really, even talking about it. I think it might have been the last waterfall, and it was very heavy and really hard, and John helped me through that. And as I was walking through, and like the water was really thunderous, in fact I think it nearly knocked me off my socks. When I came through the other side, my eyes were so sore and burning, and I thought I'm going to have to close them, and that's the only way I'm going to be able to get out of this temple. I can't do this. And then oh my God. And then all of a sudden, it was like going from, I can't see anything, I'm going to have my eyes closed, to just like being able to see. And it was like Dana was like this far away from me, and I could see her face that I hadn't seen for the first time. Because normally it's quite hazy because I have contact lenses and glasses, and I had to take my contact lens and my glasses obviously for all the blessings. And I looked at it, and it was the first time I saw detail up close, and like all the colours, it had so much more clarity, and it took my breath away. Something had happened, something had happened, and it's like a miracle. I can't explain it. Something's happening here, something very special is here, and it's very emotional. Yeah. I guess I could say it's like getting closer to God. I don't know how else to articulate it really, and I feel so happy. Like I've never felt this happy. And how I got to this end result was back in pre-COVID, like 2019, I think COVID started. I was looking online for Cynthia Louise's cookbooks, and I found she lived in Bali. She's changed my life in so many ways, because prior to me emailing her, I lost my job because of my eyesight. With the help of her and people at home and my husband, we decided to start a food business from home from scratch. She has done so much for my life. Between her and through her Facebook page, Cynthia's Kitchen, she introduced cat doors with a Nourishing class. And they have changed my life dramatically. I wouldn't, if it hadn't been me, I wouldn't have believed this was possible. I wouldn't have believed I would have ever met Cynthia or cat doors. Brendolyn was amazing. We came up to see one of Cynthia's friends, Hayley, who has a farm up the road.
that dirt, the microbes, you'll feel better after you play in the soil. I know I do.
I do. I'm just not much good at growing. Like, we were only there for an hour or two, but to hear her knowledge and see what she's doing and to taste her herbs and vegetables, and she made us a little salad, and it's just made me want to go back.
What we want to do is make sure these guys are happy, then this will be happy. That's all you need to do. We don't need to do anything else other than that.
You know, it's just, it just keeps blowing my mind.
That's awesome.
So that's been really wonderful to go and hear a bit of that, experience that, and then we've come to this beautiful eco lodge and had the most amazing lunch, all plant-based, and I think I helped participate cook with the coconut rice vegetable amongst many dishes that were there we tried, and it was so lovely and fresh, and my mouth is alive with flavour. I've never tasted food like this. And saw lots of things that I don't see back home, like lemongrass and pandan leaves and coconut trees and banana trees and all that stuff that we don't have. Huge food journey and a huge learning, and to be here and experience this and taste the food that's all grown here, yeah. Nothing else like it. It's great. If there's such a place on earth, I'm here, and I feel so welcome, so blessed. I feel like I've connected with such special people. Yeah, I just felt incredible. Thank you.